What is up, great folks? We're looking forward to having another discussion on the price analysis and technical details for the Cardano. It is 4th of October and we're looking forward to an interesting time. So we've got it at 42 cents. At this time, it didn't move for the past 24 hours that much. It's just the usual volatility. In terms of the news of the market, there's some predictions going around. Now, obviously, you don't know the purpose behind those predictions, and I would say basically anything that just comes out of the blue must be dismissed quite easily, must not be considered. There's people saying that there are times of 25% rally that could appear soon for Cardano. There are basically more things that I would consider here, such as the weekly development report. 1,113 projects are being built on Cardano. A whole lot of the guys talk about the $1 topic. It is a possibility. There's always a possibility on the table. This is how these predictions are coming out with the numbers, because it's quite easy. Could it get there? What about that specific price? A possibility for this? That kind of formulas, which are not putting any responsibility on the person, yet throwing out numbers that will attract the users to read and visualize the topic, which is something that I'm completely against of. So 2-hour candlesticks. What's going on, folks? We care about the data. We don't care about a speculation out of the blue. It's impossible to be profitable in trades if you just speculate out of the blue. Been trading since 2014 and I perfectly know that. So what we have here for Cardano is a very interesting structure. There's already buying pressure appearing here that is no longer a weak point. In other words, it must be considered that it has enough force to break out the downtrending resistance line. This specific green line that starts from there, that's a trending line. It acts with resistance purposes, and we're getting very near to that, along with the horizontal structure of 43 cents in terms of resistance. So this is a very, very important structure that we have there, which must be broken, right? So it must be broken. We're actually heading towards that even at this time I'm filming. So I'd like to see what's going to happen at that time, including the 200 days EMA that we'll have to deal with, which is around 44 cents. I don't think it's too far away from here. It's about 3.28%. Well, for Cardano, that's not a big deal. At the end of the day, we have been seeing volatilities that were, as high as 15%. So once it wants to move, it can do it 6.87, can do 11.85, can fly back to 15% to that top. What's a little issue here is that if you're just going through this point and you get resistance and you come down, or you just going to the other zone and you come down, you're going to form a lower high again. And then you're going to be in a row of lower highs. That will not be too helpful for the whole situation. And I'm sure this is going to generate trouble on the table. I'm sure this is going to generate a whole lot of issues at the end of the day. So we'll have to keep everything in touch with proper buying pressures appearing from the bottom as well, including the fight at the time we are meeting up with meaningful points. This is quite interesting for the traders that they underestimate the meaningful points where the fight and the direction is decided. You need to look at the meaningful points where the directions are decided, folks. Obviously, I'm talking about things that are more likely related with quite comprehensive knowledge related of trading, which is something, by the way, for those of you that care about your trading journey and would like to become traders. I have a one-on-one coaching where we work live on Zoom between 4 to 6 weeks, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Now, I'm explaining more about it, by the way, at the end of the video, just like related to the commission trading, where I perform my trades and I can also perform for you the same trades through API without cost. It's just commission out of the profits. But I'm talking about it at the end of the video. There is a bonus up to $4,550 as well at the end, so make sure to watch this till the end to find out more information. This is pretty much all at the moment on the Cardano side. With the current buying pressure going on this candlesticks, the situation looks more than decent. I can easily say that. So I believe this is pretty much that we have for the moment. that's quite old that we must consider for the stability of the market. And we can definitely go for discussing about other cryptocurrencies as well within the upcoming period. So make sure to like the video, subscribe, watch this video till the end for more information, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards zero fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to $4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/bigbonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/zero fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today. And this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.